If you want this amazing dynamic animations, watch this video until the end to get to know how to implement this in your website and in your client's website. If you're new to this channel, my name is Gautam. I'm a web designer and a social media manager. I sell my service to local businesses, and now I'm trying to teach you how to do the same. So let's get back to the video. We are inside the GoHighLevel website builder. For the sake of this video, I'm going to put that animations inside this section. To implement that effect, go to GoHighLevel code snippets. If you already have this, great. If you don't, you can get this inside the link in the description. The sale ends in a couple of months, so get this as soon as possible. When you scroll down, it says main section background styling. Click on it, and there's dynamic interactive background. You just have to copy this code. You do have some description on how to change everything inside, but I'm gonna explain it to you in this video anyway. Go into the GoHighLevel web builder, open the custom CSS. This website already has lots of effects and animations. That's why you get to see lots of codes inside. If you're starting from the scratch, you won't get to have any codes. If you start building your website from the scratch, it's going to be empty, and you have to fill with codes to make all the effects and animation, not like we're doing right now. Copy the code. When you scroll down, you get to see this your custom value. In order to get this effects on the section I showed in the beginning of the video, just save this at the moment, select the section, go to advanced, CSS selector, copy this code, and go into the custom CSS and scroll it down. When you find the code you copied, just replace this custom values to the value that you copied from the section and click save. That's it. It's pretty simple. As you can see, the animations is working properly. It has that slow and smooth animations going on in a loop. If you want to change the colors, the animations, and the effect, and also the timing of the effect inside the animations, you can go inside the code, scroll through. If you don't have anything, you will get this code in the beginning. In this case, we have in the bottom. As you can see, background radial gradient. We have two circles moving around inside the animations, and you get to have two different colors, which is blue and the pinkish red. It may look a bit confusing, but it's not at all confusing. When you go to this tool, which is also linked in the description, which is inside my free asset, you can click and select whichever code you want. Just have to copy this and paste it inside the code. For example, I'm going to show let's have the green color, and copy this code, go inside the builder. All the place you're seeing this 235, change that color. One of the color is changed with the green, and we can also change the timing of the radial circles, which is looping inside the animations. One of it is here and another one is here. You can change the seconds to make it quick. I'm putting both under 5 seconds. When everything is done, click save. Voila, the color has changed. You can play around the animations. You can make it your own niche. If your website is under another color palette, and change the animation with regards to your website's color palette. And if you want these kinds of animations just to plug and play, not to have the hassle of coding and correcting the errors by yourself, you can get this GoHighLevel code snippets. Link is in the description. Again, the sale ends in a couple of months, end of Feb. So if you want to get access to this at the cheapest price possible, get this as soon as possible. I hope you got some value out of this video, and don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video.